So welcome to Happy Brewery. My name is Craig Bembridge. I'm the outside sales rep with Paint Shop Atlantic. This is our customer appreciation event for all our commercial contractors, commercial painters. We've got lots of food, we've got lots of beverages. We value their business and we just want to show them our appreciation.
I love working with Paint Shop. Whenever I have a problem, it's always solved.
Ever since I've been in business, they've done exceptional with promoting my business as well as referring me to potential clients and ultimately growing my business.
It's a good experience. You walk in, everybody always has a smile on their face, and it's just a fun place to be.
I have come to the conclusion that Benjamin Moore products are far superior on many different levels, so they are the top of the line.